Want to learn to read and write Japanese? Get the complete video course with bonus PDF worksheets at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Basic Japanese Writing, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to master the Japanese alphabet. You've learned these 35 hiragana characters from the previous lessons. In this lesson, you learn 5 new hiragana characters. The first hiragana character for this lesson is ra. Ra. Think of ra as a rabbit sitting on its hind legs. Is it hard to tell between ra and chi? Just remember that chi has the top part crossing over. Okay, next up is the hiragana character ri. Ri. Ri looks like a river. Easy to remember, right? I and ri look very similar, especially when written. One way to remember the difference is that the right stroke of ri is longer and it flows like a river. The third one is the hiragana ru. Ru. To remember this character, think of it as a hand holding a ruby. This is the hiragana character re. Re. Think of re as a reindeer looking up. And our final character for this lesson is hiragana ro. Ro. Remember ru? It looks very similar, right? But where's the ruby the hand was holding? It's gone now, so you got robbed. Let's see all the characters again. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Now, let's review what you've learned. I'll show you a character or a word and give you time to say them. Ready? Re. Ro. Which one is the hiragana ri? It's this one with the flowing last stroke, just like a river. Ne. Remember not to confuse it with re. So. Ra. Ku. Remember the cuckoo's beak? Shi. Saru. This means monkey. Hare. It means sunny or clear weather. Raku. Raku means convenient or comfortable. Ofuro. Ofuro means bath, and it's an important part of Japanese culture. Kusuri. This means medicine. Onigiri. Onigiri is a famous Japanese dish, and you eat it with just your hands. Nugurumi. This means stuffed toy. Great job! Are there still other similar letters you are confused about? Post them in the comments and we'll try to help you out. Okay, let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what you've learned. In this lesson, you learned ra, ri, ru, re, and ro. Please note that we skipped the Y column this time so that we could discuss all the Japanese digraphs in the next lesson. よくできました。You've now mastered 40 characters and 66 Japanese syllable sounds. You're almost done learning hiragana. Do you need more reasons to watch the next lesson? How about learning to say and write reason in Japanese? Next time, we will talk about the Y column. Before you go, practice writing the following words on your own. And to learn more Japanese, go to JapanesePod101.com. Did you know that we offer free audiobooks? These can be a great way to learn Japanese on the go. Master the language with interactive lessons on unique and interesting topics. Start speaking from the first lesson. Follow the link to see our complete list of free Japanese audiobooks. See you in the next lesson. またね!